Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Logic. So in this video we are going to see the Accenture coding test questions. So in our previous video we have seen most of the questions. So this is a part 3. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is a question 1. So which is asked on the August 10th slot 1. Okay, so what the question says. So function, we have to write the function difference of sum. Okay, which will take two parameters n and m. This is they have written here n and m as an argument. Find the sum of all numbers in a range from 1 to m. Okay, so suppose we have n and m. N is 5 and m is 100. Then we have to find the sum of all numbers with the range from 1 to m. So that means 1 to 100 that are not divisible by 5, okay. So the divisible numbers we don't have to add it. Okay, then what this is, return the difference between sum of integers not divisible by n with sum of numbers divisible by n. Okay, now suppose we have 1 to 100. Okay, so divisible numbers are like 5, 10, 15, and non-divisible numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So we have to calculate a sum of these numbers, sum 1, and then we have to calculate sum of these numbers, sum 2, and then we'll have to return sum 1 minus sum 2. Okay, we'll see the example here. So here you can see n is 4 and m is 20, and then output is 90. So you can see the explanation here. Sum of numbers divisible by 4 are, okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So total sum is 60. And sum of numbers which are not divisible by 4 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and this total sum is 150. So the returned output is 150 minus 60. 150 minus 60, that is 90. Okay, similarly for n equal to 3 and m10, the output is 90. Okay, now we'll see the coding part. Okay, so I have written some code here. So this is our function which we are going to implement now, and then we have created two variables n and m. So I have assigned value n to 5 and m to 100, and then we are going to see the output of this method. Okay, so uh, right now we'll start coding here. So we'll create one variable sum equals to 0, sum1 equals to 0, comma sum2 equals to 0. Okay, we'll go by simple approach. We'll create a for loop here, and we'll start iterating over it. I is less than equal to m I plus plus. So here we'll check if I modulo n is exactly equals to 0, then we are going to add it to the sum1. Sum1 plus equals to I. Otherwise we are going to add it into sum2. Okay, and in the end we are going to return the value sum2 minus sum1. Okay, now we'll execute the code. Okay, you can see this is our output. I will see another example here. We have n is 4 and m is 20, then output should be 90. N is 4, m is 20. You can see the output is 90. Okay, so we'll see the second problem now. So problem statement is we have to write a function to calculate the large small sum. Okay, so the function will contain one parameter, that is array. So function accepts a integer array of size length. Okay, the argument you are required to return the sum of second largest element from even position and the second smallest from the odd position. Okay, so assumption is like all array elements are unique. Okay, so there are no duplicate elements are present. Then treat the zeroth position as a even. Okay, zeroth position as a even. And then we have some notes here. So return 0 if array is empty. So if array is empty, then we have to return the 0, and return 0 if array length is less than 3. Okay, array length is 3 or less than 3. So that means we have one condition here. If array dot size is less than equals to 3, then we have to return 0. Return 0. Okay, so you can see here we have array. Okay, this is our array. So 3, 2, 1, 7, 5 and 4. So positions are like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so even position we have to find the second largest element from the even position. So even position elements are 3, 1 and 5. So second largest element is 3, and then from odd position numbers, so these are the odd position numbers, we have to find the second smallest. So second smallest is 4. Okay, then the output is we have to return the sum of it. So output is 7. Okay, so similarly in this case 1, 8, 0, 2, 3, 5 and 6. So even position numbers are like this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, and then second largest element. Okay, so if we sort it, then the output will be 1, 0, 1, 3 and 6. So second largest will be 3, and then second smallest will be 2, 5 and 8, and then second smallest is 5. Okay, so 3 and 5 output is 8. Okay, so we'll start the coding part now. So first we have written here code. Okay, we have one array, and then we have written a function here, and we have passed the array and its length. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we'll check if n, which is array length, is less than 4. If it is less than 4, then we'll return 0 from here. Okay, otherwise we'll create some variables. Okay, max equals to integer min, then we'll create another variable second max integer min, then we'll have another variable which is min, and the value which present inside the min is int max, and then we'll have second min, sorry, int max. Now we'll iterate over the array for loop I equals to 0. So here first we'll check it is even position. So if I modulo 2 is exactly equals to 0, that means it's a even position, else it's odd position. Okay, so if it is a even position, so you can see here, so we have to find the second largest among the even position. Okay, so we have to find the second largest element. So for that we'll check here if array of I is less than, sorry, is greater than max. If it is greater than max, then what we are going to do is we'll update the second max first. Second max equal to max, So value present inside the max, will assign it to the second max, and then we'll update the value of max, okay, with the array of I. So suppose if array of I is not greater than max, but it can be greater than second max, so we have to check that also. So for that we'll use else, inside which if array of I is greater than second max, then we'll have to update the second max equal to array of I. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Here we are finding the max and second max values. So we copy this code and we'll paste same code inside this. So here we'll check for the second min. So for that we'll change the operator greater than to less than. Suppose if array of I is less than min, then first we'll update the second min with the min, and then we'll update the minimum value with array of I. Okay, so similar case could be happen here. So if array of I is not less than minimum, but it can be less than second min. Okay, so we'll update here second min. So now one thing is remaining here. We just need to change the greater than sign to the less than. Okay, so here we are finding out the values of second min and min. Okay, so after the for loop we'll just print the second max, and then second min value, and then we'll return second max plus second min. Okay, we'll run our code. You can see here 3 and 4, as we have seen in example. The second max is 3 and second min is 4. Okay, so yeah, we'll change the example here. So we'll take another example 1802356, and we'll pass the array length as 7, and then we'll execute the code. Okay, you can see here, output is 8, second max is 3, and second min is 5. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.